Hi guys, I am Rahul Luthra. I am studying in third year BTech Computer Science from Amity School of Engineering Technology. Today I am here to talk to you about cloud computing. First of all, the question arises is, what is cloud computing? Cloud computing is internet-based computing whereby shared resources, software and information are provided to the computer and other devices on demand. Cloud computing describes a new supplement, consumption and a delivery model for the IT services based on internet. It typically involves the internet provision of dynamically scalable and offer virtualized resource. This frequently takes the form of web-based tool or an application that user can access and use through a web browser. Typical cloud computing providers deliver a common business application online that can be accessed from another web service or a software like web browser. A key element of cloud computing is customization and creation of user-defined experience. In general, cloud computing customers do not own the physical infrastructure, instead avoiding capital expenditure by renting usage from the third-party provider. Microsoft also provides a cloud computing platform known as Microsoft Windows Azure Platform. Microsoft Windows Azure Platform is a cloud platform offering a wide range of internet services that can be consumed from both on-premises environment or internet. Azure Service Platform is an application platform in the cloud that allows applications to be hosted and run at Microsoft data centers. It provides a cloud operating system called Windows Azure that serves a runtime for the application and provides a set of services that allow development, management, hosting of application off premises. Windows Azure has three components: compute, storage, and fabric. As the name suggests, compute provides a computation environment with web role and worker role, while the storage focuses on the providing scalable storage for large-scale need. Windows Azure Platform uses a specialized operating system called Windows Azure to run its fabric layer. Fabric layer is the cluster hosted at Microsoft data centers that manages computing and storage resources of the computer. Windows Azure has been described as a cloud layer on the top of the Windows Server system, which uses Windows Server 2008 and a customized version of Hyper-V. Nowadays, Windows Azure Platform includes 5 services: Live Services, SQL Services, which was formerly known as SQL Services, App Fabric, formerly known as .NET Services, SharePoint Services, and Dynamic CRM Services, which the developer can use to build an application that will run on the cloud. That was all I had for the cloud computing and Windows Azure Platform. Thank you very much.